Most CO2 lasers on the market make nearly identical performance claims. Today, I want to show you one that's actually built for production, not just a spec sheet that looks good on paper. This is the Wattsan 6090, 600 by 900 mm working area CO2 laser source built for cutting and engraving non-metal materials. It comes in two versions: ST, with a static table for materials up to 35 mm thickness, and LT with a lifting table that drops 160 mm for bigger or bulkier pieces. My name is David, this is Virmer, check your subscription and let's get started. Safety Assurance System Wattsan SAS. Let's start with something most manufacturers don't bother talking about: fire safety. The Wattsan 6090 has a built-in system called Wattsan SAS, and it covers several things at once. FOX, Fire Overwatch Expert. 3 sensors in the lower part of the portal react to open flame and trigger a loud alarm. Loud enough that you'll hear it from across the room. The viewing cover is tempered glass, not plastic. Plastic melts and burns. Tempered glass holds up to high temperatures. So, even if a material catches fire mid-job, the window stays intact. The ventilation has been redesigned, sealing gaskets at all cover joints, and the pass-through table cover is perforated. When closed, it still allows proper airflow, while the double-wall design prevents smoke leakage. Grounded sockets for peripherals and anodized laser head round out the safety package. Nobody wants to walk into the workshop and find a burned-out machine or a burned-out workshop. This system is what reduces the risk to a minimum: kinematics and precision. The Wattsan 6090 delivers positioning accuracy of 0.01 mm. That's not a marketing number, it comes from specific hardware choices. 3-phase stepper motor. Smaller step angle than 2-phase motors, so movement is smoother and more precise even at speeds up to 500 mm per second. HTD 3M fiberglass reinforced belts. Unlike polyurethane belts, these don't stretch or slip under load. That matters most during high-frequency tasks like engraving. Center position Y-axis motor. If the motor sits on the side left or right, you get uneven tension and skewed results. Parts don't hit their dimensions. Center placement eliminates that problem. Unclosed portal module. The portal belt and PMI 15 mm linear rail guides are all housed inside a sealed aluminum module with 7 mm walls. Dust and debris stay out, wear stays low. The steel frame body at 2.7 mm wall thickness means you can run this machine 24/7 without the frame distorting over time. Photic inductive limit sensors, non-contact. They're not affected by dust, resin or combustion residue. Positioning stays consistent job after job. Alignment in 10 minutes. On most CO2 machines, alignment is a frustrating process that can eat up an hour or more. On the Wattsan 6090, it takes under 10 minutes. The key upgrade is a beam combiner installed in the first mirror. It generates a visible red pilot beam across the full length of the optical path. You can see exactly where the laser is going before you fire it. No more sticking masking tape to the mirrors 20 times to check the path. The laser head is adjustable in height to sync with the tube position. Universal tube mounts let you adjust the tube vertically and horizontally with soft pads at the contact points. Mirror holders have been updated with easy-to-use screws and reliable lock nuts straight forward to set, and they hold position. Control system. Ruida 8445S controller with a Mantisolo app. Your phone becomes a full control panel. Built-in Wi-Fi, no extra modules needed, the machine can even create its own network. 1 GB of onboard memory. US transfer 3 times faster than the previous version, and up to 226 layers with individual speed and power settings. ESA 100 4th generation ignition block extends laser tube service life by 35%, stabilizes output and cuts power consumption by 20% compared to older versions. Power adjustment in 0.01 increments the kind of precision that matters when you're dialing in settings for different materials. Siemens electrical components. 0.04% failure rate, 70% efficiency rated for 100,000 hours of continuous operation. This is the Wattsan 6090, fire safety built-in, production-grade mechanics and alignment that doesn't turn into a half-day project. If you want to see this machine in action, come to our demo area or request an online demonstration. Virmer engineers work across Europe in 7 different languages, and our service team handles commissioning, maintenance and repairs. If you have any question, drop it in the comments below. My name is David, this is Virmer. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you!